jerk and wrench, just revision. Adjustment of position. Then you have clumsy motion, loose control, and then obstructed motion, unnecessary motion. Oh, that's all, eh? Okay, then you have some other, okay, how to develop solution, how to solve the problem. So you come up with some material handling. So now you get familiar lah, I hope. You get familiar with some material handling here. So if there is a question about the how to solve the problem manually, so you know which one is the good, not good lah, which one is suitable, and which one is suitable, and it is it depends on the budget. It depends on the budget. Okay, this is some apa ni material handling. If you can, you should reduce the manual handling, and because whatever it is, and manual handling is not good lah, and because you have to know the limitation of human, the limitation of human in terms of the weight, in terms of the force. So material handling can assist you and to reduce the apa ni to get to fully utilize lah. You have to fully utilize the material handling in order to apa ni overcome the problem in terms of the human punya limitation lah. Okay, then we will go to some other principles and some principles that may be used to reduce the ineffective activity. Okay, this is the principles of motion economy, Poka-yoke. There is a mistake proofing method. And then SMED, single minute exchange of die, DFMA, sorry, design for manufacture and assembly, or design for assembly. It's okay juga, DFA or DFMA. Okay, then we have ergonomics. Okay. But for the principle now, for the principle of motion economy and Poka-yoke, I have some assignment for you to do. Okay, I will share with you. Okay, the Jamboard is the same Jamboard with the last one dulu. Sekejap Okay, I give you in the WhatsApp. Okay, go to the Jamboard, and at the same time I will share with you here. Okay, you look at page. You look at page 9. Start with 9. In the page 9 onwards. Okay, there are names that get involved with the assignment. Okay, we have 2 assignment. Kalau 2 assignment, we have to apa ni nama dia? You have 2 things to do. Okay, some of you will do this, and some of you will do the first part. That is principle of motion economy. Okay. Okay, who is the person involved? You can see the name. Okay. A video link will be given to you in WhatsApp. Okay. the person in charge will identify in which video link and in what minute the video describe their part, your part, number of principle. Okay, then you explain the meaning. Okay, what you should do is, okay, you read first your point and your statement, then find out the meaning, and maybe you can Google, or you can read from your textbook, and then you search for the activity in the video. So you will have I think about 7 to 8 7 to 8 video link. So you have to look, and maybe if you for the first time you find the activity, it's okay, eh? But you can choose which activity. Okay, then search for the activity in the video that related to your point. Okay, then how do you want to communicate with your friend? Because you don't see your friend, right? Maybe you do not know who is your friend. You do not tak kenal kan, recognize your friend. So you can use this Jamboard because you have 2 members in the group, and for each point, okay, what you can do is you can write in the Jamboard temporarily your name and who you want to talk with, and mention you want. Okay, this is the example. Okay, you have the apa ni, the number of principal. Okay, let's say number 1 is Ahmad Idham Hakimi. Oops. Okay, Ahmad Idham Hakimi and Ahmad Kamil bin Muhammad Syarudin. Okay, these two will do the first principle of motion economy. So what you can do is, okay, this is the example. Okay, you take this one, the sticky note here, and then you would just type. You just type here, okay, save, and then you can see here, something, like this one. Okay, Amirul, this is Arif. Okay, you are talking with salam ke surat ni. Okay, tak apalah. Okay, Amirul, this is Arif. I think you study the first 3 video. Maybe you want to say something kan to your friend. You want to divide your tasks, and I will take the rest. And you said that you will take the rest of the video. Okay. Who find first, please put the link and minute. Let's say that is your conversation with your friend. So Amirul will read this one, and then maybe he will respond lah to you. Okay, maybe you have several, you have several conversation here, but it's okay, because you only the one who can respond macam Amirul and Arif. So Arif and Amirul je lah conversation here. Maybe sini pula Amirul pula nak tulis kan. Samalah dengan lain, just temporarily. Maybe after that you can delete. After that you can delete. Okay, the principle of motion economy, you have the use of the human body. Okay, you have to understand what is the meaning of each number, each point. Okay, for the first one, both hands should begin as well as complete their motion at the same time. Okay, so you try to find out what is the meaning, but this one is simple kan. Okay, then you find out the link and the video link, which video link is related to your case ni, your point, and then you put the minute in the video, because sometimes it is quite long. Dia punya video is quite long. So you just put the minute. You can see the minute, number of minute tu, maybe minute 1.42, macam tu kan. So you put here. Okay, then when we meet in our class for Tuesday, okay, you will present for your part. So what you can do, you are ready. You will get ready with your video link. And so when I call your name, and maybe both or one of you will present, and you just share your content and show your part, and then you explain. Can understand? Do you understand?
Doktor, so kita explain dari video kan?
Yeah. Just look at the video. Cari mana video yang ada kaitan. Kalau macam both hands should begin. So cari tengok ya, tak payah tengok ni sangat. Awak boleh loncat. Kan awak tengok jalan je kan. Just drag dia punya point tu. Point dia punya video punya tu. So you just drag, you can see. Oh, that is the point that I want to show. That is the the movement that I want to show. So you just you just jot down the point tu, the number of minute tu, put here, and then tarik dia punya link, you copy the link and put here, so your friend will know. Okay, after this, if I want to understand what is the meaning, so they will go to that link and then go to the number of minute. Macam tu. Tapi for the first, kita kena present dulu. Okay. Boleh? Very simple sebab only one point and you share. Cuma dia punya kerja ialah the job is you have to ni je lah, find out the suitable one. Which one is suitable? Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. Then you have 4, 5, 6. Motion should be confined to the lowest degree or classification as possible to perform the work satisfactorily. Okay, what is the meaning? Find out the meaning and then find out the movement from the video given and the link given. Momentum should be used wherever possible, but should be reduced to a minimum if it must be overcome by muscular effort. You find it from maybe textbook. Smooth, continuous, curved hand motions are better to straight line motions that involve sudden and sharp changes in direction. It's about manual handling. Okay. Ballistic movement are faster, easier, and more accurate than restricted or control movement. So these are some dia punya meaning here. Okay, number 8, work should be arranged to permit an easy and natural rhythm wherever possible. Okay. Number 9, work should be arranged such that eye motion is limited to one comfortable area without requiring frequent focus change. Sometimes it can be it is related to our previous discussion. So you can see it can answer some of the ineffective activities. And we have how many? 14 14 kan? Ineffective activities. So, okay, then, okay, this one is about workplace layout. Principle of motion economy in terms of workplace layout. Okay, there should be a definite and fixed place for all tools and materials. Tools and materials should be placed first to reduce surge activity. Gravity feed, ni very simple lah. Gravity feed or box or container should be used to deliver material. Okay, then workplace, 4. Tool and material should be placed within the maximum working area and as close as possible to the worker. So how the system, not system, how to design the workspace and how to design the workspace to make it as close as possible to the worker. Material and tools should be located to permit the best sequence of motions. Okay, this is about the motions. So you have learn Gilbert's punya motion kan. Drop deliveries or ejector should be used. Drop delivery macam tadi je kan bunyi but this one workplace layout. Okay, then we have adequate illumination, lighting, and good contrast should be provided. Ergonomically designed chair and workplace should be used. Okay, sometimes okay, if you do not find the case study or the the activity in the video link I give to yang I have that I have given to you, maybe you can find yourself lah. You just find yourself dia punya link. Kalau tak jumpa lah. Mungkin yang ni saya tak perasan pula. Okay. Hands should be free from all work. That okay. This is design of tool and equipment. Hands should be free from all work that may be done better with a jig, fixture, or foot operated device. So what is the jig or fixture or foot operated device that can be shown to your friend to assist for the job? Okay, then 2 or more tools should be combined. Load should be distributed in accordance to the inherent capacities of the fingers. Then handles of tools should be designed so as to allow as much surface area of the hands to be in touch with it. Then you use levers and wheels. Other controls should be located such that it can be manipulated with the least change in body position and the greatest mechanical advantage. Okay, finish for the principle of motion economy. Okay, then you have for the second part, okay, you will have this tajuk this topic. It is about Poka-yoke concept. Okay, what you should do is you have to find out what product with the picture in your daily life. Okay, Zohan, Zulfadli, Amir and Badrul Amin will in charge of finding the product in the daily life that use Poka-yoke concept. But because this is quite easy, so I need you to show 8 examples. So maybe each of you will have 2 examples lah. Okay, then you for Faiz, Nabil, Nizam and Nur Ain Akila, you will be in charge in this part. Oh, dah jumpa seorang. You put your name You put your name for the second punya tugasan ni. Because otherwise I don't know what is your ni which one is yours Okay, find out what product with picture in manufacturing that using Poka-yoke concept. Find out 4 examples, only 4 examples. So that means each of you will have one example. Okay. Okay, then you have okay, Nur Adriana, Nurul Jannah, Ong Sin Chi and Tayowin. You will involve in the agriculture. In the agriculture. Okay, I think that's all because okay, we have the maximum is 20 pages only. Okay. Okay, understand tak?
Yes.
Sorry? Saya dengar test je.